At Excel Axis Consulting, we offer asset management services. The two categories we service include fixed assets and movable assets. Our services follow a standard asset management cycle. In categorization, we support our clients in grouping assets into various asset classes based on nature and value. In standardization, we develop technical standards and catalogs to be used across all your business units. Our acquisition services include budgeting for CapEx and OpEx, procurement of assets, installation of assets, and commissioning. On documentation, we guide on how to ensure that all transactions regarding the full life of an asset are captured accurately. On coding and labeling assets, we ensure that all assets have a coding structure, are labeled with durable tags that have QR and barcodes which store asset data. Our custodianship tools help in handing over assets to custodians, including monitoring movement of assets. For maintenance and repair operations, we guide on all processes required to ensure assets are well maintained for optimum productivity. On asset retirement, we guide on all procedures required to successfully decommission and dispose assets, followed by replacement. For asset management policies and procedures, we can develop for you bespoke standard operating procedures based on the nature of your assets, which will include working tools. Our asset management tools include asset database systems, maintenance software, IoT scanning devices, and GPS trackers. For asset verification services, we provide competitive services for verifying assets, auditing assets, updating tags, depreciation calculation, and disposal. Excel Axis Consulting. Excel with us.